Winnie the Pooh, Blood Honey. I hope you like hate this movie stuff. It's kind of good movie for me. If you watch it, it's kind of like Halloween. It's gonna be a second one of this. I don't know how the story's going to turn out and stuff. And the second one's gonna be like more bloody or something like that. You can see like pictures and stuff, but yeah. Nice steelbook, very nice. Yeah, pretty happy to have it. Nearly have 2 copies left of them. Swarm, but a front, a spine, and here's the back. Oh look, it's Piglet right there, and here's the team. So here's the original front, spine, and here's the back. Here's Piglet. Here's all the kids and stuff. So, and here's the Blu-ray with this artwork. So, and there's Pooh right there. That's the picture. You can see Pooh right there. So, pretty nice steelbook artwork. That's it.